Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a very soft, creamy, and delicious homemade rasmalai using a super easy recipe. So let's begin. First of all, place a pan on the stove and pour milk into it. Now, let the milk boil on medium flame. While the milk is heating, keep stirring it gently after a few seconds so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Now, meanwhile, let's prepare our rasmalai dough. Take a large mixing bowl. First, add 2 cups of powdered milk. Then add baking powder, a small pinch of baking, zada leche, powder for a beautiful flavor, and some. Now, add 2 eggs into the bowl. After that, mix everything nicely together with your hands. At first, the mixture will feel sticky and soft. Keep mixing gently. Now slowly knead it into a soft dough. Do not over-knead the dough because that can make the rasmalai hard instead of soft. Once the dough is ready, take small portions and start making round balls with your hands. Try to make them smooth and crack-free so they cook beautifully in the milk. You can make small or medium-sized balls according to your preference. Now let's check the milk. The milk is now nicely boiling. So carefully add the rasmalai balls into the pan one by one. Be gentle while adding them so they keep their shape. Now lower the flame and cover the pan with a lid. Let them cook slowly on low flame for several minutes. As they cook, the balls will become soft, fluffy, and absorb the delicious flavor of the milk and elaichi. The smell at this stage is absolutely amazing. Now, after cooking properly, turn off the flame and let the rasmalai cool slightly. Finally, garnish with chopped dry fruits on top. You can use almonds, pistachios, or your favorite dry fruits. And that's it. Our soft and creamy homemade rasmalai is completely ready to serve. You can enjoy it warm or chilled. Both taste absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to like this video. Share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.